In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to skillfully navigate and utilize the various tools offered by Canva to enhance your designs. We'll explore some exciting features that can help you elevate your creativity in ways that are both simple and effective. Let's start by heading over to Canva's website. You'll need to log into your account, so go ahead and enter your details. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at the home page where you're just a few clicks away from unleashing your creative genius. If you're new to Canva, it's good to know they offer templates for just about any design need, but today we'll focus on creating your own masterpiece from scratch. Now, let's set up our canvas. For today's tutorial, we're going with an A4 canvas. This size is quite versatile and ideal for printable materials like flyers, posters, or letters. To get started, click on the Create a Design button, then select A4 document from the options presented. With your canvas ready, direct your attention to the Tools tab located on the left side of your menu. First, we'll explore the drawing tools, starting with the pen tool. The pen tool is great for adding personal touches with freehand drawing. It's perfect if you're aiming for a hand-drawn effect or simply want to sketch out ideas directly onto your canvas. Next up, we have the marker tool. This is excellent for creating bold, impactful lines and highlights. A quick tip: try varying the pressure on your marker lines to simulate a more authentic marker look. The highlighter tool is another gem within Canva's drawing suite. It's perfect for emphasizing text or areas of interest without completely obscuring other elements of your design. You might find this particularly useful for notes or callouts. Mistakes happen, which is why the eraser tool is your best friend. It allows you to remove unwanted lines or shapes with precision, ensuring your design stays clean and polished. Additionally, Canva lets you customize your tools even further by changing the color and stroke weight. Experiment with different shades and line thicknesses to see what best complements your design's overall aesthetic. Moving on from drawing, we can also incorporate shapes. Shapes can be the building blocks of your design, providing structure or decorative elements to your canvas. Creating line transitions and divisors is made easy with the line tool. It helps in sectioning your work or just adding a touch of geometry to your creations. Adding notes, text, and tables is another powerful feature of Canva. These elements help in organizing and communicating information clearly. Don't hesitate to experiment with various fonts and styles to match your theme. Finally, the core of mastering Canva lies in exploration. Feel free to explore and experiment with the various features Canva offers. There's a lot more to discover, so take your time and enjoy the process. With practice, you'll find yourself creating beautiful and professional designs with ease. Happy designing!